गुड मॉर्निंग दी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12। आज आप लोगों की इंग्लिश है प्रोज में पेज नंबर जो है 57 पर एक्सरसाइज बता रहे हैं। पहला देखिए, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेक्स्ट, पाठ का बोध। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, एक्सप्लेन विथ रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट द फॉलोइंग पैसेजेस इन इंग्लिश। निम्नलिखित की संदर्भ प्रसंग सहित जो व्याख्या लिखिए। अब इसका पहला देखते, पहला राम मोहन राय डॉट गांधी सक्सेसर। ये लाइन कहाँ है, ये पैराग्राफ कहाँ है? ये पैराग्राफ जो है पहला ही है, स्टार्टिंग पैराग्राफ है। तो इसका रेफरेंस लिखेंगे संदर्भ, जैसा आप हिंदी में लिखते हैं संदर्भ, प्रसंग और व्याख्या। ठीक, इन द सेम वे वी हैव आल्सो टू राइट इन इंग्लिश टू। तो रेफरेंस में लिखेंगे दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं जो आपको आसान हो। दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन द हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया रिटन बाय एल बासम। और दूसरे तरीके से, दिस पैसेज हैज बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन द हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया रिटन बाय एल बासम। अब जो आपको आसान हो वही एक लर्न कीजिए, वही लिखिए। अच्छा, कॉन्टेक्स्ट, प्रसंग। अब पूरे पैराग्राफ में लेखक क्या कहना चाहता है उसको हम एक लाइन में ही लिखेंगे। द राइटर डिस्क्राइब इन दिस पैसेज अबाउट द सोशल रिफॉर्म इन इंडिया। एक्सप्लेनेशन, व्याख्या। द राइटर मेंशन हियर ए फ्यू नेम एज राम मोहन राय who was in 19th century and who was a great social reformer, and he also pleaded for social reform in Indian society. And after him, Vivekananda, who was a disciple of Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, he was also a nationalist, and he rose a voice for social reform. And he also said the form of the service of great mother is a form of social service. And other great Indian who were follower of great social reformer, among them Mahatma Gandhi, who was in 20th century, and he developed a theme of social service as a religious duty for the to remove the unsocial things from the society. And he, after Mahatma Gandhi, the successor of Gandhi, continues his development. अच्छा, अब पैराग्राफ नंबर दूसरा लेते हैं। नंबर 2, महात्मा गांधी डॉट एनीथिंग इंडियन। अब देखते हैं ये पैराग्राफ कहाँ है। ये दूसरा ही पैराग्राफ है, यहाँ से लेकर के जो है एनीथिंग इंडियन यहाँ तक। रेफरेंस दोनों में से कोई एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट। अब कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लेखक क्या कहना चाह रहा है। हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द इंडियन एंड वेस्टर्न, especially the European culture, which is a mixture. Explanation. A.L. Basam says that Mahatma Gandhi is sometimes looked on as many both and European. They are the follower of Hindu tradition, but this was only a false decision, because our Indian culture is also much impressed by the Western ideas. While Gandhiji believed the basic form of Indian social reform is Asian India, and he hates from the to caste system to the troubles of the downtrodden people. and he was too much unorthodox in social reforms, and the European culture gave a glimpse of social reform during the Renaissance of 9th century, when it followed the liberalism than to anything Indian. हम नंबर 3 का देखते हैं. हिज चैम्पियनिंग क्लास एंड कास्ट. ये लाइन कहाँ है? हिज चैम्पियनिंग है यहाँ से लेकर कास्ट तक, तो रेफरेंस में रेफरेंस वही रहेगा. कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कोई एक जो है इसमें लिखेंगे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द राइट ऑफ वुमेन इन दिस पैसेज. एक्सप्लेनेशन. The writer says that Gandhiji was mostly in favor of women's right, which was a result of the Western influence, because in Western countries we find that women are totally free like men. And Gandhiji always, if we take any type of example related to social reform, Gandhiji was ever a social thinker, social innovator than a conservative. He was not the follower of orthodox method, while his some companions and friends were in favor of the program of limited social reform to be given to the women. But Gandhiji was not so in favor, and he got success in shifting the whole emphasis of Hindu thought toward a popularity and equalitarian social order, while there were a hierarchy, tyranny in the society and caste. Paragraph number 4. Today there are ... any certainty. तो रेफरेंस पहले में से कोई एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. अभी लाइन देखें कहाँ है. टुडे देयर आर फ्यू इंडियन. अब इसमें लेखक क्या कहना चाह रहा है उसी को हम जो है कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लिखेंगे. Context. Here the writer describes about the various creed which is followed in India. Explanation. The writer depicted in this paragraph that there are few Indians, whatever their creed is, which type of religion they is accepted by them, but they do not have lack of pride about their ancient culture. They have full pride, and there are also some few intelligent, wise Indians who are ready to make sacrifice for the some effect elements, so that the Indian culture once again may develop and progress. And politically and economically, India are facing many type of problems since it got freedom, but it faced boldly, and nobody can foretell about its future because there are too much uncertainty. But it can be safely predicted that what would be the future of the country India, The people of India will never neglect about their ancient culture. अब आगे के देखते हैं. Politically and ... their culture. ये लाइन यहाँ से है. Politically ... यहाँ से लेकर कल्चर तक. रेफरेंस पहले जैसा कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. Here the writer describes about the social clutches and political and economical problems which were faced by the Indian people. Explanation. Politically and economically, the writer says after getting the freedom in 1947, India faced too much politically and economically problems, and he also felt great suffering, and nobody can foretell or predict about the future of India and Indian people, because it is full of uncertainty. But it is one thing to predict about it, whatever the future may be, but the coming generation of the Indian people will not be unconvincing and self-conscious copies of European. It means that the new children of India will not follow blindly the Western culture, because the Indian culture is in the root of our tradition, and the new generation is aware of the continuity of its culture. Thanks. Jai Hind.